Maraming salamat po kasi sa busy time ninyo na harap pa po ninyo na pumunta dito at nakipag-celebrate sa birthday ni Yara. Napaka-special po niya sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Sa lola at lola, sa mga tita, sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Thank you din kay Jollibee. At kay Jollibee pala.
And welcome, ma'am. And of course, in behalf of Jollibee Santiago Highway, I would like to say thank you so much for always coming here, for always dining here, and for always patronizing our planet, and especially to Mom and Sir because they gave us this opportunity for us to cater Yara's second birthday here at Jollibee Santiago Highway, as well as to all the guests, the visitors, friends, and relatives who are here. And without all your presence, Yara's birthday will not be so much special kung wala po ang presensya ng lahat. At hindi din po magiging makabuluhan kung wala po kayong lahat. Ayan. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pag-attend ng isang napakagandang event ng araw na ito para kay Yara. And at the same time, I hope na lahat din po kayo ay nag-enjoy at nabusog. Nag-enjoy at nabusog po ba ang lahat?
Yes!
Yes! Ayan. Of course, gusto po namin na, hatid po namin na ngiti po kayo, uuwi po kayo na may mga baong ngiti sa inyong mga rabi. I hope lahat po kayo ay nag-enjoy. Once again, thank you so much. I'm your host, Ate Steph is now signing off. Ingat po kayong lahat sa pag-uwi. Birthday to you, Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Okay, Yara, you may now make a wish and blow your candle. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. His dancing skills with us together with a smart team. Kaya naman this time, isang palakpakan naman po muna dyan para kay Gasman Jollibee. Okay. And of course, together to hit the dance floor together with Kuya Nico. And of course, I'm also joining. Alright, once again, Best Friend Jollibee together with a smart team. Together with a smart team. Isang palakpakan tuloy dyan. Para kay Best Friend Jollibee. It's really, really good to see you this afternoon, best friend at Jollibee. And of course, this time, please join the center stage. Yara, our birthday celebrant, please stand beside best friend Jollibee. And of course, this time, tanggapin mo ang munting regalo ni best friend Jollibee para sa'yo. Alright. Okay, best friend Jollibee has a special gift only exclusive for you. Meron yung mabuting samot, Apo. Yay! Okay. Palapakalan po tayo dyan. And of course, okay, and of course, to start all Jolly Kids, please clear the center stage first. Okay, please take your seats. Alright, because this time, best friend Jollibee prepared a special dance number for everyone. Okay, palapakalan po tayong lahat dyan.